If you want to become fluent and confident in English, listen carefully because in today's video, I am going to talk about the 5 bad habits that are stopping you from becoming fluent and confident in English. I am Arafat, founder of English with Azmat and Arafat, and only on this channel I talk about the things you should do. But in today's video, we are going to talk about the things you should not do if you truly and wholeheartedly improve your English. Let's get in the video to discuss the first bad habit, that is subtitles. Before you come after me, I don't actually have a problem with subtitles. There is nothing wrong with watching a movie in English with subtitles. However, you should avoid watching a movie in English with subtitles and translating that into your own native language. So if you are going to use subtitles, make sure you use English subtitles. Of course, it is better to watch a movie without subtitles. But if you don't understand the everything in movies, in dramas, and in seasons, whatever that is, so turn on the English subtitles, not your native language subtitles. Watch without subtitles, but if you need, turn them on. The second point on the list is translating in your head. If you get to a conversation with somebody in English, what you do, you gather your thoughts in your native language and you convert that into vocabulary and grammar and finally into English. Then you speak. So stop this process. I know this process is very hard to break from your rule, from your daily routine, but it's very important to think directly in English. It helps you, it's one of the most best rule that helps you to become fluent and confident. If you are fluent in any kind of language, it means you think directly in English. The another point that is preventing you from becoming fluent and confident, and that is being scared of making mistakes. If I talk about myself, I am the perfectionist. I want everything I said to be perfect, but that's just not how the world works. If I talk about my experience, I have noticed many learners, many mentors, many teachers, many students. What they do, they overthink to making mistakes. They are afraid of making mistakes in a discussion, in any kind of conversation. They are afraid of making mistakes. So if you are one of them, do not do this because no one is perfect. No one is perfect. Nobody is perfect. Mistake happens. Mistake are the part of process. Another fourth bad habit that we're going to discuss today, that is focusing too much on grammar. Yes, grammar is important to use properly in sentences and to speak correctly and properly, but communication and speaking should be your first important priority. If you are spending hours in learning grammar, such as conditionals, phrases, and parts of speech, you are creating an extra bad habit. You are just wasting your time. Yes, grammar is important, but communication and speaking should be your first important priority. Don't neglect that. On a similar note, the other bad habit is that a lot of students fall into is not speaking regularly. Passive learning, which includes listening to podcasts, listening to movies, and watching videos on YouTube, is not enough. If you want to become fluent in English, you must practice as much as possible. Doesn't matter if you don't have any partner to speak with. Talk to yourself. What are you doing? Convert that into English. Because that's way you train your brain to connect the vocabulary with speaking and with correct pronunciation. Dear audience, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you are new over here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon. Allah Hafiz.